Well, we're very proud of our store here at the Train Yards because we have recently won a very prestigious award for store design in Canada by the International Shopping Centres Association, and we won a silver award for the store design. So we're very proud of it. We love the size. We have 5,000 square feet filled with lots of great clothing and of course home decor, which is, again, we have a bit of a winter wonderland here. We went down and bought the most beautiful tree ornaments, and we have 5 different trees in the store, all representing a different look: an all-white tree, a copper tree, a beautiful green and red tree, a traditional one, and we have all the ornaments for sale, and Christmas tree decorations and home decor decorations. So we're very, very proud of it, and it's a beautiful winter wonderland here.
Here we have gorgeous Elaine, and she's wearing a fabulous figure-flattering Tadashi dress, which is in from New York. The colour, instead of the little black dress, we have beautiful tones. Now this dress is so figure-flattering for the curvaceous woman, and it gives curves as well. It nips in at the waist and down through the hips, giving a fantastic silhouette for that lady who has the curves and wants to show them. Here we have a 1950s inspired little outfit with a beautiful jacket edged in lace and satin in the creams, and a beautiful little straight skirt with a side slit, giving that 1950s inspiration of that post-war every woman wanted to look amazing. Gorgeous Elaine is wearing Joseph Ribkoff, which is jersey. It's a fabulous dress for a gala occasion, off the shoulder, drapes through and covers the tummy. It's got a 3/4 length sleeve, showing that shoulder, which is the sexy part of a woman. Just cuts through and drops down, which is really quite stunning, and it's a timeless piece.